I talk about 14 factors that influence the Amazon rank algorithm in one of my recent videos. Then I went into detail about the importance of text match, categories, pricing, the length of the time the item has been listed on Amazon, and external traffic. If you watch these videos, I showed the evidence of each of these ranking factors on the official Amazon Help Center pages. In today's video, I want to talk about 3 of the other possible ranking factors that were never publicly confirmed or denied by Amazon: dwell time, bounce rate, and time on page. If you want to learn what they are exactly, what are the difference between them, and how you can improve them to rank your books higher on Amazon, keep watching till the end. As I said, Amazon never publicly confirmed or denied anything related to dwell time, bounce rate, and time on page as ranking factors. However, we already know that search engines like Bing use dwell time in their algorithm. They say here that short page dwell times can indicate the content is not capturing the visitor's interests. You may ask now, does the Google search engine care about dwell time too? Well, this is controversial because some experts do believe that and some others do not. Even though it is not right to compare the Google and Bing search engines with the Amazon search engine as they have different intents, there are some common ranking factors. Therefore, let me explain to you first the definitions of dwell time, bounce rate, and time on page. Then you may understand better why most Amazon sellers like me think that these are the ranking factors for Amazon. Dwell time is the amount of time users spend on a page from the search results before returning to the search engine results page. For example, let's say you search for fishing logbook in the Amazon search bar. Imagine that you like the cover of this book, so you click on it. But when you get there, as you see, the product listing is insufficient. There are not enough details in the description. So after 5 seconds, you click back to the search results. Your dwell time was 5 seconds. And that super brief visit tells Amazon that you weren't happy with that result. Let's say you then click on this book. This time the product listing is better. The description is more detailed and easy to read. Also, there is an A+ content with pictures showing the interior pages. Furthermore, there are more fishing logbook options with different covers from the same publisher. And you spent a solid 2 minutes and 45 seconds reading every word on the product page. Then click back to search results to continue your research. So, your dwell time was 2 minutes and 45 seconds. As you see, dwell time begins and ends with the search engine result page. That long dwell time tells Amazon that your listing is relevant to the search term. And if many other people also spent a long time on that page, most sellers like me think that Amazon will boost its rankings. As I said, it is not confirmed by Amazon. But what do you think? Isn't it logical? Write what you think in the comment section. On the other hand, the bounce rate is the percentage of visitors that take no further action after landing on a product page. It has nothing to do with whether they go back to the search results. In other words, bounce rate measures sessions where the user did not engage with your product. It doesn't matter if the person spent 2 seconds or 2 hours on the page. I mean that there are no actions like clicking the Add to Cart or Buy Now buttons on the product page. Time on page is how long a visitor spends on a product page before going somewhere else. After spending some time, the visitor can back to the search results, click another page on your website like products related to this item pages on Amazon, or exit from Amazon to an external page. In short, it is the time between the click that brings the user to the product page and the click that takes the user away from that page. All 3 metrics measure how much users interact with a product page. However, the bounce rate and time on page are different from dwell time because they do not show if the user went back to the search results page. So, how you can improve dwell time for Amazon KDP? Firstly, you should optimize product descriptions. Your book description is often a reader's first experience with the content of your book. Even if it's a low-content book, a well-written book description and bullet points are important for customers. However, do not write too long and complicated for just trying to improve the dwell time. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and keep your language short and simple. If you check Amazon KDP Help Center, they recommend aiming for a 150-word paragraph with sentences that are easy to scan. Secondly, you should use A+ content. A+ content allows you to add images, text, and comparison tables to your Amazon detail page to engage readers and give them more information as they consider buying your book. As the Look Inside feature and back cover thumbnail are currently not supported for low-content books published without ISBN, you can use A+ content to add images of your book's interior, so buyers can see what it looks like. According to Amazon, Adding A+ content to detail pages can help increase sales by an average of 5.6%. Besides this, it will help you improve your product page's dwell time as well. My next videos will be about how to optimize Amazon KDP product descriptions and how to make A+ content for Amazon KDP books. Therefore, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching. See you soon.